my chipping gun and I hit a void. And I heard the glass break. And I'm like, something's not right. So we took away the debris and I found the glass and then I found the note. When I first saw the date, I was like, 1907. I was like, wait a minute, this is 2019. This wall was built, it stood here the test of time, and we're taking it down, and somebody took the time to put that note in there. To see that somebody put the time and effort to sit down and write a note, scroll it up and put it in their bottle and put it into a wall for somebody like myself 100 years later to find. It was really, really heartwarming.